recently had a guy come to me and ask me for my advice. He just came into a huge amount of money, more money than he'd ever had, and he didn't know what to do. This was a life-changing amount for him, and he knew he had one shot at getting it right. He didn't want to put it in the stock market. Obviously, he didn't like the volatility and felt like it was a casino. He didn't want to throw it into a CD because, well, it doesn't make enough money to even cover inflation. And he didn't want to buy a single-family house because he didn't have any real estate knowledge, and he just felt like that was buying another job, and that's the last thing he wanted to do. So I told him these 3 things. Here's the 3 things you need to do in order to be successful at whatever you do with investing. First of all, you got to start getting educated, and that's a great thing to do whether you have money or not. Number 2, you've got to understand your goals for investing. Are you looking for cash flow? Are you young and you need appreciation to grow this amount? Or are you looking for the tax write-offs? Are you looking for the benefits of taxes? And then third thing you got to do, guys, and this is the most important thing, you've got to take action. You've got to take the first step. Whether it's investing with me or someone else, you must take action and not wait around for something to happen. Because guess what? The only thing that's going to happen is tomorrow's going to show up and you haven't done anything. But with real estate, you can get exponentially more than the stock market, especially when you factor in the tax savings and the compounding returns and cash flow along the way. I want to encourage you to start this process, even if you don't have a lot of money, so that when the time comes and that nest egg is grown, you will be way ahead of the game and you'll know exactly what you want to do when it comes to investing your hard-earned money to make a great future for you and your family. If you'd like to talk with me about how to invest in real estate and how that could change your life and create massive wealth for you and your family, DM me portfolio and I'll be happy to chat with you, give you some tips and pointers.